Hello, everyone. How's going, everything? Uh, I'm not recording this video for giving you any secret tips or something like that. I'm just recording this video to maintain my consistency on YouTube, and yeah, that's it basically. And don't worry, please watch the full video. You will learn a lot of things. And in this video, I'm going to show you, how you can create a perfect featured image for your blog post, which reflects your whole articles. Right? You guys may be struggling to create a perfect image, perfect featured image for your blog post or article that reflects your whole content. And now it's very easy to create this kind of images uh, by ChatGPT and Delete3, right? So let's try it. Let's see how we can create a perfect image, featured image for our blog post. So I found this article to search on Google. Basically, I regularly exercise, and I can actually boost my site fed, and that's why I searched this on Google, and I found this article WikiHow. So I think why not? I'm creating a featured image and show you guys this how I can do this. So what I'm gonna do is I just simply copy the URL here from here, and then here is called like URL to markdown.com. This website is amazing. If you just paste here any URL, it will fetch and convert it in a markdown format. So I take the content in markdown format because it is very easy to understand for ChatGPT. ChatGPT uh, understand any content very well in a markdown format, and that's why actually uh, I'm gonna copy this from here and I'm gonna paste it here in ChatGPT, and now now I'm gonna say is like this this is my article article uh, here. Okay, what is this? Yeah, this is my article. Now create a featured image for the article in a way. Create a featured image in a way that reflects the article, and hit enter. Let's see. This is the full article, and ChatGPT creating the image. So let's see. Oh, this image is pretty cool, but here's a problem because it's give me this image in a vertical format, but I'm gonna say it's the please please make the image in horizontal format. Let's see. So it's creating the images. It's taking a little bit time, but the output is pretty good. See how. And now it gives us a perfect, I mean, amazing. It's pretty cool. Featured image. It can be you can create uh, a perfect featured image for your article that reflect your full article. And this is very easy, guys. You can follow these steps really easily. I will, uh, I'll leave a link in the description of this chat history. You can, you know, uh, visit this or see this. Don't worry. And another thing is, guys, recently, 2 days ago, maybe or something like that, we will release a new features called Notes, and I published a what is it called? I published an article how we can build a strategy around the Notes updates on LinkedIn. I published this article, so you guys can read this article as well. I'll leave a link in the comment or description. You can check it out. So yeah, that's it. That is all. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more update and strategies like this. And yeah, bye bye. Thank you. See you in the next video.